Hello everyone, here's a quick little tip for learning languages that I just recently found out about, and it has really helped me with my language learning. As I'm sure most of you know, most YouTube videos have subtitles. Now I'm not just talking about the automatic ones. Those ones are good. There are some errors in them from time to time. They're pretty accurate nowadays. However, there's a lot of subtitles that you can get that are really good word-for-word transcriptions of the video. That's what I want to focus on here. So, something I just recently found out was that you can actually get a copy of these subtitles from the YouTube video, and you can save them, email them to yourself, save them as a Word document. It's a really effective way to be able to have a copy of the video and learn the language word for word and go back and review things that maybe you didn't understand and learn some new vocabulary. What you got to do is you got to go to the video, click on the video that you want to get the subtitles for, like this example here.
Okay, so we have our video here. It's a video that I did that I uploaded subtitles to. Now, obviously, we have the closed caption button, and that makes the subtitles appear with the video. But then you have those three dots over there underneath that, and you can open the transcript. These three dots here, you click on that and open transcript. And voila, you have the whole transcript. It usually comes up as auto-generated, so you want to make sure you select the English transcript instead of selecting the auto-generated one, because that one is going to be the most accurate. And then you simply highlight it, and I'm sure you all know how to copy and paste. So highlight the whole document. Unfortunately, there's not a quick way to just select all. So you have to scroll through and highlight the whole thing. And you copy and paste it into your Word document. Piece of cake, right? As easy as stealing candy from a baby. And another thing I wanted to show you. So another video here that has multiple languages uploaded for subtitles, and you do the same thing, click on your three dots, and you open up the transcript, and then down where the language is selected, you can select all the various languages that the creator or the collaborators uploaded. It's that simple, and it's a great way to learn new expressions and learn new vocabulary.
Anyway, this is a great tool. It's really helped me. I hope that it is also as helpful for you. And go ahead and tell us what you think in the comments. Tell me if you have any secrets and tricks and tips for learning a language. I know when I'm always studying a language, something that's always frustrated me, and I've always been jealous of people who are learning English, is that there's not a lot of videos in other languages that are subtitled. And I've always been frustrated because I'll watch a TV show and it won't have subtitles that's in Spanish. And I'm always bugging my Spanish-speaking friends, hey, what did this guy say here? Could you go to this part at 2 minutes and 31 seconds and tell me what the person said? But now I no longer need to harass my friends, and I can just look at the subtitles on YouTube and I can save them. So anyway, I didn't know that you could save them and pull up the whole subtitle document, but you can. So I wanted to share that with you because I thought that was pretty cool. All right, hope you enjoyed this tip.
And we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips and English expressions. Also, you can check me out on Instagram at English Suelto. And if you want to see the version of this video in Spanish, go ahead and click here.